Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today you are going to see 10 lines on lion. The lion is known as the king of the jungle. Lions have a strong body and a loud roar. Male lions have a big fluffy mane around their head. They live in grasslands and forests. Lions are carnivores and eat meat. A group of lions is called a pride. They are fast runners and great hunters. Lions rest for most of the day and hunt at night. They are found in Africa and some parts of India. Lions are brave, strong and powerful animals. Thanks for watching. Please share, like and subscribe my channel.